Today is a special video, to say exact, because this is the last of the last video of the first season of Celestia Add-ons. Today we will be doing some space probes sent by Earth, and we also do a bonus star. And this time, here are the probes. So first, we're gonna look through some of Mars, one of them that's in Mars, Venera 4, and Messenger, which is a probe that orbits Mercury. So, okay, so we have Viking 1 and Viking 2. To begin with, these are what we're doing today. So this is firstly with Mars. As some of you probably know, that Viking 1 and Viking 2 are from Mars. Credits to the author. So let's read the context. The Viking program consists of a pair of identical NASA space probes, Viking 1 and Viking 2, which arrived on Mars in 1976. Each spacecraft was composed of two main parts: an orbiter designed to photograph the surface of Mars from orbit, and a lander designed to study the planet from the surface. The orbiters also served as communication relays for the landers once they touched down. Viking 1 lasted from 1975 to 1982, while Viking 2 lasted from 1975 to 1980. Alright, I'm guessing this is Viking 1, and we should probably see Mars somewhere. Maybe over here. Whatever, it's alright. So, alright, that means that we can probably search for Viking 2. If we can, then we'll just skip. Alright, so here's the lander of Viking 1. Oh, we were already there. Viking 2 lander. Let's go to Viking 2 now, which also looks similar with what I'm seeing. So Viking 2, quite to the author, it was the same, by the way, it's the same mod pack. And yeah, I guess that's it for Mars. And yeah, now we are going to Venus. Venera 4. This one was actually not sent by the US, but rather the Soviets, which do not exist anymore because now they're just Russia and a few other states. But just a minute, I don't know why the text is not loading, but whatever, we just act like it's there, right? But whatever. So installed add-ons. There are 4. Let's see it. So this is what it was supposed to look like, and well, unfortunately it's not there. Venera 4 is a Soviet space probe that became the first spacecraft to directly measure another planet's atmosphere. Interesting. Arriving on Venus just days before Mariner 5 flew past the planet in October of 1967. It survived only 93 minutes of descent before being crushed by the intense temperatures at an altitude of 55 kilometers. Alright, so that's over it, I guess. Now we go to Messenger. Alright, we found it. Please be visible this time. And it's also not visible for some reason. Well, that's alright. You just look at its stats. Messenger. So, regards to the author, Messenger was a NASA mission that became the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury, launched on August 3rd of 2004. It passed once by Earth, twice by the 3rd of August of 2004, depends on who you ask, passed once by Earth, twice by Venus, and 3 times by Mercury before entering the orbit in the March 18th of 2011. It's studying the innermost planet for 4 years before it was commanded to deliberately crash into the planet's surface on the 30th of April of 2015. Alright? Now our bonus star, which today will be, drums please, our own sun. Who could have guessed? So here's our beautiful sun that provides warmth for everybody on Earth, even you viewer that's watching. I broke the fourth wall, whatever. But anyways, so yeah, I guess it's also like at the solar system barycenter. I know pretty well that it's not a double star system. But whatever, maybe it was at some point and now it isn't. And I guess that's it. So have a good week, and I'll see you tomorrow when we're gonna start season 2. So goodbye, and well, have a good day, and make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions you can leave them down below in the comments. Alright, bye.